Hi everybody, this is Freddie Sedano and today I'll be showing you a new twist on an old recipe. This secret family recipe was passed down to me by Prem Bovieware, my mentor. Beware, if you're watching this, thank you so much for this recipe, it means a lot to me. Now today, instead of using Kahlua, we're going to be using Jim Beam Vanilla Bourbon, straight from Kentucky. 1 package Duncan Hines Classic Yellow, 1 package Jello French Vanilla Instant Pudding, 3/4 cup canola oil, 4 eggs, 1 cup water, half a cup Jim Beam Vanilla Bourbon, 1/4 cup vodka. Mix the dry ingredients, mix the wet ingredients, add the eggs, blend all that shit together. Coat your Bundt pan with a good amount of grease and then brush the sides for evenness. For the icing, all you need to do is pour in the Jim Beam Vanilla Bourbon slowly, little by little, into the powdered sugar. Mix thoroughly. Bake for roughly 45 minutes at 350 degrees. Wait 20 minutes before flipping. Don't wait too long to flip though. Once it's cooled completely, lightly brush some Jim Beam Vanilla Bourbon onto the cake itself. Drizzle your alcoholic icing onto the cake. Serve and enjoy with your friends and family, or eat it yourself, you drunk bastard. That'll do, pig. That'll do.